Check. Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IAS Academy. In this video, I'm going to discuss about SSC CGL 2024 9th September held examination questions of general awareness. So, let me start the explanation of general awareness questions of SSC CGL 2024 exam, which was held on 9th September of 2024. So let us start the questions. Here the first question is that who is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? He is asking about who is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So here they have given the options as A. Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and B. M. K. Stalin, C. Panniraselvan, and D. K. Ponmudi. So what is the right answer for this question? Yeah, B. B is the right answer for this question. B is the right answer. So Stalin is the right answer for this question. Next question, when did the Battle of Buxar took place? So it was happened on October 22nd of 1764. So here this is the answer, October 22nd and of 1764. Next, who was in Time magazine's 100 most influential people of 2020 list? So he's asking, simply asking about like among the following four persons who occupied the place in Time magazines of 100 most influential people of 2021. So here the answer is A. Narendra Modi. So from India, Narendra Modi name was in this Time magazine's influential people list of 2021. The remaining persons are even they belongs to India, but Narendra Modi is who is present PM of India. His name was inserted there. Next, after that, one of the distinct features of the peninsular plateau is the black soil area known as. So, one of the distinct features of the peninsular plateau is the black soil area known as. So, he simply is asking about where we can find black soil extensively. So, among these four, here the answer will be Deccan Trap. So, and we know that black soil is a soil which was formed due to igneous rocks. Black soil was formed due to igneous rocks, and igneous rocks are formed due to volcanic eruptions. So in India, where we can find extensive volcanic eruptions, we can find in peninsular plateau. We can find in peninsular plateau, mostly in Deccan area. So like even in Hyderabad, Hyderabad is a part of Deccan area. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, some part of Maharashtra, and some part of Madhya Pradesh is also part of Deccan plateau and Deccan Trap area. So in these all these areas, you can find the black soil, which is known as black soil, is also known as black cotton soil. Okay. Next question. The famous Latmar Holi is celebrated at which of the following places in Uttar Pradesh? So Latmar Holi, it is a festival. So definitely, whatever the shift you write for SSS CGL, we are expecting means they are giving one question from festivals. They are giving SSS CGL team has given at least one question related to festivals. Now in this paper, they have mentioned about Latmar Holi. So they saying that Latmar Holi is celebrated in UP, but which part of Uttar Pradesh? So they have given the options as Kokilivan and B. Nandagaon and C. Radhakund and D. Barsan. So, but actually, right answer is should be both B and D, Nandagaon and Barsan, because Latmar Holi is celebrated even in these two places. Okay, Nandagaon and Barsana, but here two options they have mentioned. So wait for the actual answer, which is going to be given by SSC team, Staff Selection Commission. Okay, so but here keep in your mind that D or B both are the answers. Next, who was the Chalukyan king known for his victory against Emperor Harshavardhana and the Pallava king Mahendravarman I? So simply he is asking about who was the Chalukyan king known for his victory against Emperor Harshavardhana and the Pallava king Mahendravarman I? So simply asking about who won against Emperor Harshavardhana as well as Pallava king Mahendravarman I. So here the answer is Pulicasin 2. So Pulicasin 2 is the answer for this question. Next question is that consider the following statements in reference to the President of India. So simply is asking about related to President of India. So we have to find which are the true statements. Article 53 of Constitution of India mentions that executive power of the Union shall be vested in the President. So he's asking is it true or false? Yeah, definitely. Because whatever the gazette notifications issued by Government of India, they stamped and signed under the name of President of India. Under the name of President of India, right? So even like executive decisions are taken by President of India. So finally, ultimate power rests with President of India, right? But here the decision makers are Council of Ministers and the Prime Minister of India. But the document will be signed by President of India. Clear. Here the decision makers are Council of Ministers and the Prime Minister. But those decisions, gazette notification or else any letter will be signed on the name of President of India. Okay. So that's why Article 53. And the president shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters his office. Exactly, it is true. The term of president is 5 years, tenure of PM 5 years, MP MLA 5 years, Sarpanch ward member councillor 5 years, vice president also 5 years. But governor's term tenure is not 5 years. It depends upon the pleasure of the president. Okay, pleasure of the president. Okay, that's the thing. Next. Article 60 is saying about Article 60 of the Constitution of India mentions the procedure for the impeachment of the president. Here, actually, Article 60 doesn't mention about impeachment of the president. Just simply it mentioned about oath and affirmation by the president. So finally, what we have to remember here is that statement 3 is the wrong one, because Article 60 says about affirmations, oath and affirmations, but not related to impeachment of President of India. Okay, so remember it. So with this we can say that. D 1 and 2 are the correct. So D 1 and 2 are the correct. Okay. Next. So 3 should be out of the game. But here impeachment of the president relates to Article 61, but not 60. So 61 says about impeachment of the president. Okay, so that's why article. So statement 3 is the wrong. So 3 should not be there here. So finally, answer for this question is D. And coming to 33 question, the order of basicity of hydroxides of alkali metals. So what is the order he is asking about? Like which has the more basicity? So if you check in the Mendeleev periodic table, you will get to know that basicity increases from sodium to rubidium. So with that information, we can say that Rb rubidium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide. So this is a sequence of basicity of hydroxides. So rubidium has more base than potash. Then potash has more basicity than sodium. Okay, so that's the thing you have to know here. So means from top to bottom, basicity is increasing. Clear? From top to bottom, basicity is increasing. That's the thing. That's the information they have mentioned. And which of the following is the highest peak of Nilgiri Hills? So Nilgiri Hills is a part of Tamil Nadu. It has one important peak which is known as Dodabetta Peak. So B is the right answer for this question. Next, as of from 2022, who is the Union Minister for Communications and Electronics and Information Technology in India? So simply it is a straight question. Simply is asking about for like in the year 2022, who was the Central Communication and Electronics Minister? Simply his answer is Ashwini Vaishnav. And the same person is a minister for railways as well. He is a minister for railways as well as minister for information. Sorry, electronics and information as electronics and information technology. Now we were present also. Ashwini Vaishnav is the present railway minister as well as minister for electronics. So his portfolio did not change. His portfolio was did not change. Okay, still the same person. Next, which of the following is the largest producer of pulses in India? So in general, for the cultivation of the pulses, we need dry climate. So what is the climate? What is the atmospheric conditions that we require for cultivation of pulses? Rainfall should be rainfall maybe shall be like 50 to 75 centimeters enough. For cultivation of paddy, rainfall needed around 100 centimeters. For cultivation of pulses, just like even 50 centimeters per year is enough. Clear. 50 centimeters per annum is enough. So dry conditions. There is no requirement of much quantity or else a huge quantity of water for the cultivation of pulses. So these atmospheric conditions we can find where we can find in Rajasthan. So we can find in Rajasthan. So D is the right answer for this question. The headquarters of BCCI is located in which of the following stadiums? So he simply is asking about where is the headquarters for BCCI, Board of Control. BCCI means Board of Control for Cricket in India. So here the answer for this question is Wankhede Stadium. So where is Wankhede Stadium? It is in Mumbai. So there is a place called Mumbai in Maharashtra. So in Mumbai there is a stadium called Wankhede Stadium. So in that stadium BCCI headquarters was located. Clear. Next, in 1973, Project Tiger was started in National Park. Simply is asking about Project Tiger started in the year 1973. Where? Where is the place? So here the place is Jim Corbett National Park, which is a part of Uttarakhand. Where is Jim Corbett National Park? It is in Uttarakhand. So in Uttarakhand, Project Tiger was started by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change of Government of India in the year 1973. So what is the objective of Project Tiger? To protect the tigers, to increase the population of tigers. What is the present population of tigers in India? Present population of tigers in India is 3,648 approximately. Maybe they have increased. So according to the last year census, the population of tiger is 3,648. Now it may increase, but definitely. Next, Lata Mangeshwar was awarded with Bharat Ratna in the year 2001. So Lata Mangeshwar, she was a very great singer. She was awarded with Bharat Ratna in the year 2001. So Bharat Ratna is the India's highest civilian award, which was presented by Government of India. Next, after that, which of the following periods in India's economic history is referred to as a plan holiday? So, due to the emergency conditions in India, Government of India did not implemented the proper plannings. So, those periods 1966 to 1969. So, due to economic crisis in India, due to financial emergency in India, due to food crisis in India, Government of India failed to implement 5-year planning. Just they rolled out year plannings. Okay, so those year plannings were known as plan holiday, which was from 1966 to 1969. Next, Article 32 is related to Supreme Court, such as which article is related to High Court? So here the answer is Article 226. See, Article 32 of Indian Constitution is the soul of the Indian Constitution. So as per the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Article 32 is the soul of the Indian Constitution. Article 32 says about constitutional remedies. Means if a person unable to enjoy his fundamental rights, the aggrieved person, can directly approach to Supreme Court of India. In a similar way, the same person can approach to High Court of India as per the Article 226. So indirectly we can say that Article 226 is also a soul of the Constitution of India. Okay. Next, 42nd question. Identify a redox reaction from the following. So simply is asking about which among the following reactions are redox reactions, means reduction and oxidation. Which among the following equations both reduction and oxidation is taking place? We have to identify them. So which among the following equation both reduction and oxidation is taking place? So with that we can say that there should be for the reduction and oxidation we can go for C. So manganese oxide plus 4 molecules of hydrochloric acid is forming manganese chloride, 2 molecules of water and chlorine molecule. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. Next, who was the founder of Pradhana Samaj? So founder of Pradhana Samaj was Atmaraman Pandurangan. Atmaraman Pandurangan. So this is the answer. Next, Vishwa Mohan Bhatt won the prestigious Grammy Award 1994 for which world music album? So simply is asking about Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. So he received prestigious Grammy Award in the year 1994 for which music album? So here the answer is B, a meeting by the river. A meeting by the river. A meeting by the river. So it is answer. Next, 45. Dash established in 1829 is the oldest golf club in India and also the first outside Great Britain. Okay, so simply is asking about which among the following clubs was the ancient or else the oldest in India. So here the answer is the Royal Calcutta Golf Club. The Royal Calcutta Golf Club is the answer. Next, who among the following was the author of Neel Darpan? So Neel Darpan was written by Dinabandhu Mitra. It was written by Dinabandhu Mitra. 47. Which ruler's inscription gives information about the Sudarshan Lake at Girnar in Gujarat? Read the question. Which ruler's inscription gives information about the Sudarshan Lake at Girnar in Gujarat? So here the answer is Rudraman 1. So if the question is like who is the person who laid down Sudarshan Lake at Girnar in Gujarat, means who is the person behind Sudarshan Lake? If the question is like who is the person behind the Sudarshan Lake, then answer is Chandragupta Maurya. And here the question is which ruler's inscription gives information related to Sudarshan Lake? Rudraman inscription. So if you see Rudraman inscription, you can find the information related to Sudarshan Lake, which was in Gujarat. Okay, that's the thing. And 48th question, which among the following is the folk dance of Gujarat? So recently it was in the news, that is a Garba. So recently Garba acquired the UNESCO's cultural list. It was in the UNESCO's cultural list. Okay, so it is a Garba. It is the first dance from India, and it is a folk dance. And it is also folk dance from the Gujarat. So right. So finally, it's a folk dance of Gujarat is Garba. Recently, it acquired the like a tagline from UNESCO as a cultural dance. Okay. That's the thing. And one more question. As per 2011 census, what is the density of the population of India? Straightforward question. It is 382 persons per kilometer square. The reproductive structure of gymnosperms are cones. Okay, so these are the uh, questions related to 9th September 2024 of SSC CGL 2024 examination. Okay, so in the next videos, in tomorrow's class, we will discuss about tomorrow's question paper. Okay, that's the thing, right? So thank you so much, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos, and please like this video, and if you have any query, please post in our comment box. Thank you so much.